Yeah, but you see, it's like, see where I'm at now, so I gotta. I don't need this part. See if you turn that over. But I gotta get this separated. See, then I gotta grind these things off because this has to be flat against that. And the way they did it is like, that's like a prong that opens up. So when it went into that, then it opened up, but I can't, close it and then smash it against that for it to open a second time. So I gotta clean all of this off, grind that off, then put a mark in the middle of this, then drill some holes, put a pop river and a washer to hold this back together with that, and then start putting it back together. I think it's like the thickness of like panel board, but it's just got, a coating on it. And then back then it probably, see, this is heat sealed. So this is on the back of the material, which was heat sealed. See, because it comes off of here too, but it's still on there, and that's the way it will be on the roll, like that. See, that's a modern day scalping.